Do you want to know how to find ways to train AI and make money from anywhere and be able to do this no matter your background and experience? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and AI has become very popular, and some people think that it takes away your chances to earn online, but in reality it actually also increases your chances, because there are some jobs that used to not be available, but now you can actually earn by doing this. And one of those ways is to help train AI, and you can make quite decent money like that. So in this video here, I will show you 5 real ways to do this. So before I go over the 5 options I want to show you, I just want to make it clear what you can expect, because doing these AI training jobs, it does require quite a bit of effort. It is not something where you need a specific background or experience, but some of the jobs will require you to go through some training. It's usually free training you can do on these platforms. They will tell you exactly how to do, to teach you how to do it. Usually this training is unpaid, so you need to be aware of this and willing to put in a bit of time and effort. And the jobs themselves, they can be, depending on your preferences, a little bit boring, but they are quite easy once you just get into it. And just be aware that you need to continuously put in time and effort, but if you do that, then it can be a way to earn quite decent money, and in some cases even, maybe a part-time job, depending on the cost of living where you live. So this list is not a prioritized list, because which of the options that are the best really depends on your personal preferences. So let's now go over them, and then you can use this information to find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So the first option I want to talk about is called Hive Micro. You can use this both on the website, you can use it on your phone. It's available both as an app through the App Store and Google Play. You can join it from basically all countries. Here what you would be doing is to, for example, categorize there, make boxes around different images, auto transcription. In general, when it comes to this training AI, then it's about helping identify something. There's still a lot of things where we need a human eye to help train it, and these are, for example, tasks that help with this. You can see it can be draw a box around an object, categorize the scene in an image, transcribe audio to text. These are the type of jobs you can find on Hive Micro. Some of the tasks here are similar to some of the other platforms, but there are also some that offer quite a bit of other options, like for example the next one we'll talk about. The next option here is called Amazon Mechanical Turk, and when we talk about these AI training tasks or in general data entry tasks, this is quite popular. You can theoretically join from all countries, but they don't really have any information about what the requirements are to join. You need an Amazon account, and when you sign in, you will apply, and then you will be told, after some days whether you qualify or not, but you won't be told why or why not, so that's a bit confusing. So there's no guarantee that you can actually join, so be aware of that. But if you manage to join, it can be a way to earn decent money if you like this type of tasks. They offer many different ones, not just like AI related, but in general data entry related. So if you're interested in data entry jobs, I also do have a list on my website of the best data entry jobs. I'll leave a link to that below. I will also leave a link to full tutorials and reviews of each of the platform I mentioned here, so you can find more information about them and exactly how they work and how to join them if you decide any of these are for you. But anyways, you can see here, for example, in this category, image video processing, you can tag objects, select best pictures, audit user uploaded images, classify and identify objects there, remove duplicate content, all these different things here, information gathering, data processing. So they have a lot of different types of work here. The only disadvantage of this platform is that you might not be able to join, because they don't have quite clear rules about this, and they don't have great support if you try to find out why you did not qualify if you end up not qualifying. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. When it comes to these type of AI training tasks, RemoTasks is one of the very well-known platforms because it offers, you can see here, a lot of different tasks here. They are available in more than 90 different countries. People have earned a lot of money here. You can do many of the same tasks that we already talked about. Just be aware also on RemoTasks, there are usually trainings you need to go through, so it takes quite a bit of time, and it definitely takes patience to earn here. So it's not for everyone. You really need to do these type of tasks with the right expectations. You can always see how much you will earn for the tasks, so that's a good thing, but it really does take quite a bit of effort to earn decent money. There are some people that say they do, for example, earn a part-time or full-time income from some countries on RemoTask, but that will definitely require a lot of patience and a lot of effort, so just be aware of that. The next option here is called Toloka, and this is another website and app where you can do different small tasks here, including AI training tasks. It actually changed its name, so it's now called Toloka.ai. So you can see that it is also aimed to do that. They say here, do microtasks that support new AI products and research. So again, you can use this basically from all countries. There are some things that I don't like about Toloka, for example, like the earning options, really how good they are really depend on your country, of course, but in some countries, I've heard from some people here that read my review on my website or watch my videos here that they really like it and earn some nice extra money. Other people really don't like it. Personally, where I live, I don't really like the options there, but again, it all depends on personal preferences. It definitely can be a way to earn some extra money by doing this type of tasks. Last option here is called Appen. You can see here also, they also changed focus fairly recently. It didn't used to be focused on AI, but now you can see here you can earn and learn remotely with the world's largest AI community. So they're very much focused on that. They have more than 1 million members from all over the world. So you can, again, join from basically all countries. They even offer tasks in, you see, 265 languages, 170 countries there. There are a lot of different type of tasks. You can see some of them here, called short sentences, evaluate short form videos, fact check claims, complete multiple tasks, like for example identify vehicles there. All these different type of tasks there used to train AI. Again, some of the tasks will be easy, some of them won't. How many tasks you will get access to, that really depends on the time of the day, month, year, where you live, and all those different things. So as you can see, if you like doing these AI training tasks, there are quite a few platforms that now offer a lot of different tasks like this, and they will likely, in my opinion, be more and more platforms that offer this type of task, and there will probably be more and more tasks on the platforms that offer it. You just need to be aware that it's not easy money. It requires quite a lot of patience and focus, but you don't have to have a specific background or anything like that. So if you find out you like it, then it can be a way to make some nice extra money on the side. In general, if you like data entry jobs, I do have a list on my website of the best data entry jobs. I'll leave that below. I also have written reviews, full tutorials of each of these platforms I mentioned here. I'll leave links to that below also, so then you can go there and find out more information about the platforms that you prefer if you want to know more about any of them. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.